Welcome back to our channel. Say goodbye to everyday dust and dirt with the ENCHE Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Built for effortless cleaning, it combines strong suction power, smart navigation, and multi-surface adaptability to keep your floor spotless. With its slim design and easy controls, this robot is the perfect helper for a cleaner home without the hassle. Let's explore how the ENCHE Robot Vacuum Cleaner can transform your daily cleaning routine. Effortless Pet Hair Cleanup. Tired of battling pet hair? This robot vacuum combo features a brushless suction design and a high-performance motor that eliminates hair tangles. With 2,900 pascals of ultra-powerful suction, it effortlessly captures fur, debris, and dust, leaving your floors impeccably clean. Ideal for pet-friendly homes, it ensures a hair-free, mess-free environment with every clean. 2.99 inches slim, standing at just 2.99 inches tall, this vacuum robot cleaner slides effortlessly under beds, furniture, and into tight spaces. Equipped with advanced navigation, it reaches hidden spot, collecting dust and pet dog hair from edges and corners. It's an essential robotic vacuum for thorough cleaning. Smart navigation and anti-fall. This robot vacuum pet hair hard floor cleaner navigates around walls, stairs, and obstacles, tangle-free, preventing falls and collisions. It can even climb slopes up to 15 degrees, performing effectively on both hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. Long battery life and auto charging. With a powerful battery, this auto vacuum offers up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning, covering up to 1,300 square feet. When the battery is low or cleaning is complete, it automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it's always ready for the next use. Multiple cleaning modes. Enjoy various cleaning options with this robot vacuum cleaner, featuring modes like manual cleaning, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, and auto mode, all accessible via remote control. The ENCHE Robot Vacuum Cleaner gives you more than just clean floors, it gives you time back in your day. Smart, efficient, and convenient, it's the simple way to keep your home fresh and tidy. Let ENCHE handle the mess while you enjoy the comfort. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.